Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Basic English Course Program. Today I'm going to explain about past simple. As usual, in this explanation I will use bilingual English and Indonesian language in order to achieve the target and it's easy to understand. Okay, to short the time, let's study. Okay, what is the past tense? Apa itu past tense? Oke, past tense is an action took place in the past. Past tense yaitu suatu kegiatan yang terjadi di masa lampau. Oke, sekarang talking about to be in the past. Berbicara tentang to be di waktu lampau, jadi hanya ada dua, was and were ya. Oke, beda dengan present tense. Kalau present tense is, are. Jadi kalau past tense to be-nya hanya ada dua antara was dan were. Oke. What is the formula? Apa rumusnya? Yaitu subject ditambah to be. Ya, to be-nya was dan were. Lalu bisa diikuti noun kata benda, adjective kata sifat, and adverb kata keterangan. Oke, pasangannya to be, I menggunakan was, they menggunakan were, and he it menggunakan was. Oke. Jadi kalau Anda buat kalimat dengan to be past tense, contohnya saya berada di rumah sakit kemarin. I was in the hospital yesterday. Oke, lanjut. Oke, for the time, untuk waktunya, ya, penggunaan past tense yaitu waktunya yesterday, last, and ago. Jadi ciri-ciri bentuk past tense ya, waktunya, keterangan waktunya ada yesterday, last, and ago. For example, contoh, I was in Jakarta yesterday. Saya berada di Jakarta kemarin. Berarti pakai was karena ada keterangan yesterday, keterangan waktunya. Contoh, he was at the playing football last week. Dia berada di tempat bermain bola minggu lalu. They were at their home. Mereka berada di rumahnya. Oke, kemarin atau kapan ya. You were at school 2 minutes ago. Mereka tadi atau 2 minggu yang lalu berada di sekolah. Kenapa pakai were? Karena ada ago ya, ciri-ciri bentuk past tense. Budi was in the market yesterday. Ya, Budi berada di tempat atau di rumah pasar ya kemarin. Budi and Asep were at the mall last night. Kenapa pakai were? Ya, ada dua orang, Budi and Asep. Oke, look at the picture. Lihat gambar. Ya, sekarang penggunaan antara was dan were. Oke. Misalkan keterangannya now, berarti now itu to be-nya is karena sekarang. Now Robert is at work. Robert sekarang di tempat kerja. Nah, kalau at midnight last night, tadi malam ya, he wasn't at work, berarti dia tidak ada di tempat kerja. He was in bed. He was asleep. Ya, dia berada di tempat kerja. Dia tertidur atau tidur. Oke, sekarang penggunaan mana yang to be-nya is untuk person antara was dan were. Oke. Contoh, I'm tired now. Saya sekarang lelah. Kenapa pakai am? Karena ada now sekarang, berarti punya am. Lalu dijadikan past tense, lihat, I was tired last night. Saya lelah tadi malam. Kenapa pakai was? Karena ada last ya. Ciri-ciri bentuk past tense yaitu keterangan waktunya last. What is Anne now? Berada di mana Anne sekarang? Ya, berarti is. Dijadikan past tense, where was and yesterday. Ya, kenapa was? Karena ada yesterday. The weather is good today. Ya, the weather is. Kenapa hari ini? Ya, to be-nya is. Dijadikan past tense, the weather was good last week. Cuacanya bagus minggu lalu. Ya, karena ada last, jadi menggunakan was. Sekarang contoh lagi, you are late now. Kenapa are? Karena now, saat ini, ya sekarang Anda terlambat. Dijadikan past tense, you were late yesterday. Anda terlambat kemarin, ya karena ada yesterday, to be-nya were. They aren't here now. Mereka tidak ada di sini sekarang. Dijadikan past tense, they weren't here last Sunday. Mereka tidak ada di sini minggu lalu, ya karena ada last berarti pakai were. Oke, sekarang menggunakan kalimat positif. Jadi hanya to be-nya was dan were. I, he, she, it menggunakan was. We, you, they menggunakan were. Untuk negatif, ya mudah saja, hanya tinggal tambah not. I was not atau I wasn't. He was not, she was not atau he wasn't. It was not, it wasn't. We were, ya we were not, you were not atau they weren't, you weren't. Yaitu menggunakan negatif. Sekarang membuat kalimat tanya, question, tentunya to be-nya disimpan di depan, ya. Was I, was he, was she, was it. Were we, were you, were they. Oke. Sekarang look at the example. Lihat contoh. Ya. Bagaimana mau penggunaannya? Ada yang pakai to be, was dan is, ya. Oke. Last year Rachel was 22. So she is 23 now. Kenapa Rachel was? Karena ada last, yang tahun lalu Rachel umurnya 22. So she is 20 now. Kenapa is? Karena ada keterangan now, saat ini berarti dia umurnya 23, ya. Tahun lalu 22, sekarang 23. Oke, contoh lagi. When I was a child berarti was, karena ketika saya kecil, ya. Jangan when I am. When I was child, I was afraid of dogs. Saya takut anjing. Contoh lagi, we were hungry after the journey, but we were tired. Kami tidak lapar setelah bepergian, tapi kami tidak lelah. The hotel was comfortable, but it wasn't expensive. Hotelnya nyaman, tapi tidak mahal. Sekarang buat kalimat tanya, ya tentunya to be-nya ditaruh di depan. Contoh, was the weather good when you were on holiday? Apakah cuacanya bagus ketika Anda liburan? Ya. Those shoes are nice. Sepatu-sepatunya bagus. Were they expensive? Apakah sepatunya mahal? Why were you late this morning? Ya, sekarang penggunaan dengan WH question. Kalau ada WH question, berarti sebelum to be, ya WH questionnya ditaruh di depan kalimat. Why baru to be, were. Why were you late this morning? Oke, sekarang untuk jawaban short answer, jawaban yang pendek, Anda hanya menggunakan misalkan yes I was atau yes he was, yes you were, yes we were, yes they were. Kalau menggunakan kalimat negatif, jadi no I wasn't, ya no he wasn't, no we weren't, no you weren't, ya. Oke, sekarang contohnya dalam kalimat penggunaan jawaban untuk short answer, ya jawaban yang pendek. Were you late? Apakah kamu terlambat? No, I wasn't. Ya cukup dengan I know I wasn't. Was Ted at work yesterday? Yes, he was. Apakah Ted berada di tempat kerja kemarin? Ya. Were you and Steve at the party? No, they weren't. Oke, kenapa di sini ada were? karena ada dua orang, Sue and Steve. Were Sue and Steve at the party? No, they weren't. Tidak, mereka tidak ada di tempat pesta. Okay, now let's continue. Now you do exercise. Anda mengerjakan latihan-latihan. Okay, look at the picture. Anda lihat gambar dulu. Where were these people at 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon? Di mana orang-orang ini pada jam 3 sore kemarin? Oke, contoh. Number 1, George was in bed. Karena George berada di tempat tidur, berarti George was in bed. George berada di tempat tidur. Oke, number 2 until 6. Coba Anda buat ya, membuat kalimat ya menggunakan to be-nya was atau were. Dan lihat gambarnya berada di mana. Oke, I give you 5 minutes to do exercise. Jadi saya berikan 5 menit untuk mengerjakan latihan. Oke, let's continue and discuss. Mari kita lanjutkan dan diskusikan bersama. Number 2, Carol and Jack were at atau in the cinema. Jadi Carol dan Jack berada di bioskop. Number 3, Sue was at the station ya. Jadi Sue berada di stasiun. Number 4, Mr. and Mrs. Hall were in restaurant. Jadi Tuan dan Nyonya Hall berada di restoran. Number 5, Ben was on the beach ya. Ben berada di pantai. Oke. And you, Anda kemarin atau lusa berada di mana? Misalkan I was at work. Saya berada di tempat kerja kemarin atau lusa. Oke. Now let's continue. Mari kita lanjutkan. Oke, Anda isikan ya yang kosong dengan to be-nya apa? Misalkan pakai was atau were atau is. Lihat kalimatnya atau konteks kalimatnya. Contoh, last year, karena ada last year berarti to be-nya was. Last year she was 22. So she is 23 now. Kenapa is? Karena sekarang ya. Jadi tahun lalu dia umurnya 22, sekarang umurnya 23. Oke. Nomor 2 apa? Today the weather is nice. Karena today ya, sekarang, saat ini, to be-nya is. But yesterday, nah kalau ini it was very cold. Karena kemarin, jadi to be-nya was. Kemarin ya, cuacanya dingin. Nomor 3 pakai I'm hungry. Kenapa? Ada lanjutannya. Can I have something to eat? Ada can, berarti ciri-ciri present can. Kecuali kalau pakai could ya, berarti beda. Could berarti to be-nya bisa was. Nomor 4, I feel fine this morning but I was ya. Contohnya ya. Kenapa pakai was? Karena last, ada last. Oke. Keterangan waktunya last. Nomor 5, where were ya, where were you ya. Nomor 6, don't buy the shoes. Kalau ini they are very expensive. Kenapa? Ya, di sini konteks kalimatnya pakai don't ya. Don't berarti ciri present, berarti they are. Nomor 7, I like your new jacket. Oke. Was it expensive? Apakah jaketnya mahal? Oke. Nomor 8, this time last year. Ya, karena ada last tentunya I was in Paris. Saya berada di Paris. Nomor 9, where are the children? Ya, karena pakai are karena ada I don't know. Kalau ini they were in the garden 10 minutes ago. Mereka berada di halaman 10 menit yang lalu. Kenapa? Karena ada ago ya. Ago itu ciri-ciri past tense ya. Ya, oleh karena itu to be-nya were. Oke. Let's continue. Oke, sekarang Anda isikan fill in the blank ya. Menggunakan to be-nya apakah pakai are, was, were, wasn't atau weren't. Oke. Contoh. Number one. We weren't happy with the hotel. Our room was very small and it wasn't very clean. Kami tidak bahagia dengan hotelnya. Ruangan kami kecil dan tidak bersih. Okay. Number two, okay. Number two pakai you wasn't at work last week because he was ill. Okay. Kenapa wasn't? Karena dia sakit. Jadi John wasn't at work. John tidak bekerja ya minggu lalu because he was ill. Number three, yesterday was, karena yesterday tentunya ya. Yesterday was a public holiday, so the shops were closed. Jadi kalau libur tokonya tutup ya. Kenapa were? Shops ada s-nya banyak. Toko-tokonya tutup. Number four, were Sue and Bill at the party. Ya, karena ada dua orang, Sue and Bill, to be-nya were. Apakah Sue and Bill di tempat pesta? Sue was there, but we wasn't. Sue berada di sana, tapi Bill tidak. Number five, where are my keys? I don't know. They were on the table, but they are not there now. Number six, ya tentunya pakai weren't karena ada last. You weren't at home, ya Anda tidak ada di rumah tadi malam. Ditanya, where were you? Kemana kamu? Okay, now let's continue. Write the question, use dot in brackets in the correct order. Oke, was dan was. Jadi Anda membuat kalimat tanya ya dalam kalimat yang ada di dalam kurung ya. Jadi kalimatnya belum tersusun. Jadi Anda ya buat kalimat dengan yang benar. Oke. Sekarang contohnya ada kata late you this morning. Ya, tentunya kalau di sini kalau ada WH question, jadi sebelum were WH questionnya ditaruh paling depan. Contoh, why were you late this morning? Kenapa kamu terlambat? Ya, jawabannya the traffic was bad ya. Number two, jadi membuat kalimatnya di sini was your exam difficult? Apa ujiannya sulit? Kenapa was? Karena yang ditanya bukan you tapi exam ya. Pelajarannya atau ujiannya. Oke. Jangan were. Oke, number 3 last ada last week, where, and, mana? Ya, tentunya kalau ada WH question, di WH questionnya ditaruh di depan. Where were Anne and Chris last week? Ya, kemana Anne dan Chris tadi minggu lalu? Kenapa were? Karena ada dua orang, Anne dan Chris. Oke, number 4. Nah, di sini juga ada WH question, how much? Berarti how much was your new camera? Berapa harganya kamera baru Anda? Okay. Number 5. Ya, pakai apa? Ya, karena ada WH question, tentunya why di depan. Why were you angry yesterday? Kenapa kamu marah kemarin? Number 6. Ya, karena di sini tidak ada WH question, berarti langsung to be-nya. To be-nya apa? Was the weather last week? Was the weather nice? Okay, sorry. Was the weather nice last week? Apakah cuaca yang bagus minggu? Okay. I think that's all. If you like this video, you can subscribe, like, and share. And if you have question, please write in column. Jika Anda suka video ini, Anda bisa lihat di YouTube dan subscribe, like, and share. Jika Anda punya pertanyaan, silakan tulis di dalam kolom. Oke, thank you for watching and see you next.